Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the Unity Kit of the Month unwrapping, and this is June 2024. So you're seeing this in July. I have kept that, and I hope I've caught up with my by June. I mean July 31st, 30th. I hope I've caught up with some Unity videos, but as of now, when I'm recording this, I probably haven't because yeah. Anyway, so this is our June 2024 Kidama. It's called Whisper of Summer. I don't know about you all, but it's been a hot summer, so it could be like sweltering. No, Whisper of Summer. So it says summer whispers its sweet promise of endless possibilities, the sweet nothings of heat in my body, ear, and all that other stuff. Let your spirit wander free. Peace lives in the quiet moments. I love that statement. That's a good sentiment. Enjoy those lazy summer days. Yes, the ocean, this butterfly. I think this is more of a moth because moths are more out at nighttime, right? You don't really see a lot of butterflies at night. I'm not sure. I'm not a. I like butterflies, but I don't know much about their sleeping habits. Uh, Not all stars belong to the sky. Oh, that's nice. And it has like this little, oh, how the stars shine, twinkle, twinkle. Keep living the good life. It's a beautiful day to just be. Oh, I love that. I love that. Anything that starts with "It's a beautiful day" just makes me think of Mr. Rogers. I don't know about you all. Keep your face towards the sunshine. I guess keep your head held high. Hello, sunshine. I have a stamp sentiment like that already, I believe. Just let your worries melt away. Let me tell you, I am melting away. Forget the worries. It's a good day to have a good day. I love that statement. You are the sweetest. And then these look like and lemon wedges, which kind of lemons are sour, yeah. Some starfish, excuse me, some seashells, and then some starfish. So these three pieces would be a good sentiment to go together. Now, what I'm going to create, I have no idea, but my stamp set is falling apart, and that's okay. Um, the mail person kind of folded the thing over anyway, so yeah. When I got it, it was kind of bunched up in my mailbox. I don't have like a real mailbox. When I bought the house, I thought I was going to have like a real mailbox, like in those movies when the post carrier comes and opens it up and puts the mail in and goes to the next house. No, no, no. That is not what I got. I got a whole bunch of apartment mailboxes. And I'm okay with that because I get to see my neighbors from time to time because I am not a very social being. When it comes to that aspect of socializing, I am failing at it. I am much more stay in the house is safer kind of person in the house. So anyway, I only have a few neighbors that I actually talk with. I can't turn it because it's falling apart, but this fruit stamp is huge. Yeah. Um, Yellow or orange paper. Although these are clearly lemons, right? Clearly lemons. Um, Free. You stole my heart. Diary, sentimental boyfriend, cherish. I don't know if these are stickers or just cut and yeah, cut and I feel like these are cut in I can't even think of the word. Cut and glue, maybe, or a strip of them. So it's three. One is affection, huggable, precious, beguiling, cherish, my love, soulmates, love is blind. You are my destiny. This is my journal to me. You are perfect. You are magical in the eyes of the beholder. Roses are red. So this is really good. You don't really need to buy some of the sentiments that we do buy. You could just type your own if you have a computer and then cut them out on some cardstock paper and glue as necessary. Then we have this right here, which is some adhesives. And this may be new. Decofoil Unity Adhesive Transfer. Create foil image designs with or without heat. Place on cards, tags, layouts, mixed media envelopes, and vellum. And it has a little asterisk behind this one, so this may be a little bit on the tricky side. And then it tells you what to do. I don't know if we'll ever do that. We could, maybe. But these are what they say. Everything so much. Happy thanks big birthday for everything so much. Happy. Happy is upside down. Thanks for you for thinking of me every day. Birthday for you. And then I believe that is all of the quote unquote free things. And then we can look at the samples that they have made. I will tell you, I feel like Unity probably has a large female stamp purchase because I think that's what we like. That's what they've given us before, and we've grown accustomed to like the ladies. But look how they did this one. So they stamped this lady out, and then they re-stamped out in yellow. Then they stamped it out again in white and fussy cut it. That's interesting. So I'm assuming this piece right here is for the sand. So they stamped it out in blue for the waves. Yeah. Then they stamped it out in yellow right at the neck or the nape of her head and taped this down. And then they took this piece and colored her in and just that's really cool. So they stamped it out 3 times. That's cool. We could try something like that. And then this story. So this is by Julissa, Julissa Sargo, Whisper of the Summer. And this is by Elaine Tanner, Starry Night. And so, yep, this is definitely a background stamp. The sunshine one, so they stamped this out. Look like they did some type of blending or coloring, and they glued that on top. Very cool. So this is our Unity June kit. I don't really have any real standouts. I mean, I like the lady, of course, but um, this is what I like. I feel like you could take this and put it in a glass and make a sentiment like that. But anyway, I want to say thank you all for watching. I hope you'll come back tomorrow if we can get our act together and see what I create. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.